Hello everyone, in this video we are going to design a login page using Adobe XD. You can use any designing tool because concepts in every designing tool are almost same. Like, the way to draw shapes, to write text, like it's same in all the designing tools. So basically the reason behind this video is to let you know how to, make a simple good looking design using any designing tool. So in this video I'm going to use Adobe XD. You can also use Figma, and there are a lot of other tools that you can use for designing, available out there online. So you can download Adobe XD first if you don't have Adobe XD available in your PC. So you can search Adobe XD download in the Google, and you can go to the first link that comes here in the search, and from this link you can download Adobe XD. So this software is also heavy, so like if you have software, if you have PC of like good specifications having 8 GB RAM and i5 processor or i7 processor, then this software will work fine. Otherwise, if you don't have a good specifications in your laptop or PC, you can go for Figma tool, which is also a good designing tool, and it's very lightweight. So if you search Figma, you will see we have this collaborative interface design tool available online. So they provide website as well as software, so you can use the website or software, whatever suits you best for designing purposes. Okay, cool. So after you have downloaded this, let's open Adobe XD, and you'll see a screen something like this, and here you can select the screen size. So we have various different sizes over here. So I'm gonna pick the 1920 1080 because I'm basically creating a login page for a website. So let's click over here, and it'll create a basic template for us to work on. Okay, so let's wait for some time, and yeah, now it has created this screen, and it has given name web 1920. You can also change this name. Let's double click on it, and let's give it name login page. Okay, cool. Now let's create a basic rectangle over here. So you can check the options here in the left. We have a lot of shapes. We have rectangle, we have circle, we have triangle, we have a line. So let's select this rectangle. So to draw a rectangle, you can either select this like this, or you can also press R. So press R, and then you can create a rectangle here in the screen. Okay, cool. So in the right hand side, you can change properties of this rectangle, like if you want to change width, height, X and Y position, and there are other options, like you can also change the opacity. As you can see, when I'm decreasing the opacity, it's becoming less visible over here. So opacity is used for that. Okay, so let's change the color for this rectangle first. So you can go over here in the fill section, and from here I can choose any color. So let's choose something like this. Okay, cool. So right now, as you can see, my mouse cursor is basically locked up to make a rectangle. To make this a mouse cursor, you can press V. As you can see, now my mouse cursor has changed. Now I can change the properties of this rectangle by dragging this. So basically I'm right now increasing the size of this rectangle. So this will be our login page, and here we will create a basic form which will ask us our email ID and password. So in this form we will have two components. Okay, so let us create one more rectangle, and okay, wait a minute, let's first press V and click outside. Now you can create a rectangle. So I want to create rectangle like this. So it will basically stretch up to the half portion of this parent rectangle. So in this left rectangle, I'm gonna so you can create your form either on the left side or right side, it's your wish. I mean, you can design your login page in any way. So so in the thumbnail also, you must have seen like the login page that I've designed already. So in the left, I'm gonna place a picture over here. So let's search some pictures that I'm gonna keep over here. So there's a really cool website of illustrations. You can also check this out. You can go to andro.co/illustrations. So they provide some cool illustrations, and you can also change a color from here. So the color that suits you best, that suits like your website best, you can choose that color. So let's select something. Okay, let me change first color. Okay, let me check which color will be the best. Okay, I think this color will be the best. So okay, let's select this picture. It's looking great. So you can download PNG or SVG, it's your wish. I'll choose SVG because SVGs are great when you resize or rescale your picture because they don't lose their quality. So let me see the location of this picture, and then I'll simply open my Adobe XD. Okay, and here I'll just simply move my picture. So you can just simply do like this and your picture will come over here. Okay, cool. Now you can place your picture like this. You can resize it. So notice one thing, if you do like this, you know, your picture, like the components of your picture will not resize properly. So what you have to do is you have to press shift and then resize it. As you can see now, every component of the picture will resize perfectly. Okay, now you can, you know, just place it down in the center, which will look great. Yeah, like this. And also let's remove the border for this rectangle. So what you can do is you can just select this rectangle, and here you can uncheck this box. This will remove the border. Also select this rectangle and remove the border. Yeah, now it's looking good. Let's select the parent rectangle, and let's give some, okay, let's also choose the white color for this component, and we will give some shadow to this. So you can go over here and you can, you know, change the X and Y position of your shadow. So you can select 20 over here, and you can select 20 over here, and let's give it 50. Wait a minute, you can give it 50. Yeah, now you can see our form is looking very good. Now let's create a form here on the right hand side. Let's also give shadow to this box. I guess it'll look much good. Yeah, it's looking great now. Now let's design a basic login form over here. So first of all, we want to see heading. So you can press T for writing text, or you can also go over here and you can select text from here. Now click here, and now you can write text. So we will write login form. Okay, now press escape, and now you can press V to change the mouse, and now you can, you know, change the position of this text. You can resize this text from here. Okay, cool. So on the right hand side, you can change properties of this text, like, you know, width, height. You can change the text, like what style do you want for this font, sorry, for this text. So you can select different font styles that are available in Adobe XD. So right now I'm just gonna keep it, let's see. Okay, let me see which one will be okay. Yeah, this one is looking good. Okay, from here you can you know, choose different font sizes like regular, italic, or okay, bold. So basically from here you can select the font weight for your text. I guess I just want to keep it simple. Cool. Let's change the font style. It's not looking good. Maybe this, no, sorry, let's keep it simple, I guess. Okay, okay, let's keep it simple. It's looking much good. So let's write one more text over here, which will say enter your credentials. So let's resize it, and So it'll basically it is basically like a information. You can also change font size from here, like if you want to give accurate font size, so you can give font size from here. Okay, cool. Now let's give some label. So press T and let's write here username or email. Cool. So let's create a rectangle. Okay, cool. Now let's give some border radius to this. Either you can do from here, or you can also give border radius from here. It's your wish. Okay, cool. Okay, you can also change the border color from here. I want to give it somewhere between like a grayish color. Yeah, now it's looking good. Let's also change the font size of this. Let's give it 25. Yeah, cool. Okay, let's copy this. You can select this and this. So to multi-select, you can press shift and then you can do multi-select. Cool. Now let me press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Yeah, just like that. And here you can write password. Yeah, now let's create a button from where user can log in. So let me create a button. Let me give some border radius, so I can write 30. You can also give more border radius. Yeah, this one is looking fine. Okay, cool. So you can write inside here login. So this will basically basically be just like a button for user to click on after user has filled username and password over here. So let me just center this text and let me give some color to this button. Okay, let's give the same color of this purple in this button. So let me see what is the color. You can also go over here and you can see this color. You can copy this and you can go over here and you can paste this color. Yeah, as you can see, our button color has been changed. Let's also change the text color. You can just go over here and you can select the white color. Yeah, let's also remove the border. Yeah, let me change the text size, or it is fine, I guess. Yeah, to zoom in and out, you can just simply press Control and you can scroll your cursor in the mouse. Yeah, just like that. Cool. So you can also write over here like don't have an account. Okay, let me change the color. It's not visible right now. Yeah, so you can write over here. Okay, let me first write it. So you can write don't have an account. Let me change the color because it's not visible. Okay, yeah, so if you don't have an account, okay, sign up here. Cool. So let me change the color. You can give some color between like grayish. Let's also change the text size. Let me give somewhere between 20. Yeah, now it's looking good. And also change the color of this sign up here. So you can give this color, I guess. Wait a second. Yeah, let's bold this. So you can select this and you can go over here and you can select bold from here. Yeah, now it's looking good. So basically it's up to you, like how you want to design your form, login form. So basically I'm right now creating a simple login form to just let you know how to draw shapes, rectangles, and write text in Adobe XD. So basically it's very simple. If I recap everything, to draw a rectangle you can go over here and you can select shape, and to write text you can select this T from here, and to place pictures over here you can either download the picture, you can copy picture from Google, and you can just simply place your picture over here and you can resize it. So to resize, I've told you, just press shift and then resize the image. Okay, that will resize the image properly. Cool. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let me just give some spacing to this. Okay, cool. So yeah, now our form is complete. So yeah, you can also place some icons over here for username and password. So there are some plugins that you can use. So I've already installed a lot of plugins over here, as you can see. So to install plugins, you can go over to this section. Oh sorry, this section. So this section is related to plugin. So to install plugin, you can click on this plus icon and it will open up a new window where you can search different plugins, like for icon or for photos, for anything that you want to use in your Adobe XD design. You can select plugins related to that. Okay, so let me select the icon plugin from here, and I want a user icon. Okay, so let me select this icon. So yeah, now you can just simply place it over here like this, and similarly you can select here key, and you can place that key over here just like that. Okay, cool. So you can select both of these icons, and you can just simply change the color. Yeah, now it's looking good. Okay, cool. So now our form is complete, and yeah, I hope from this video you understood, you learned like how to use plugins, how to draw basic shapes, text, and all of that to create a design of whatever suits you best, or whatever suits best for your website. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you, and yeah, let's see you in the next video. Cool.